Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question. And before we get started with the question, in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you. So yeah, let's get started on the question I have today. So the question is, hi Ali, I am currently managing Google Ads on my own and could use some help reviewing my results and getting some advice. Here are a few things I am struggling with. My budget isn't fully spent. Should I increase my CPC and just pay to get conversion data now? So let me repeat again. My budget isn't fully spent. Should I increase my CPC and just pay to get conversion data now? Should I generate a new campaign and start fresh again, as it seems like this one is dying? The impression and CTR for my campaign are declining. I have noticed a red warning below my first page bid. When I first set up the ad a month ago, the bid was around $1 to $2. Does this mean competitors are bidding higher now? I have updated my website content to be more relevant and included the targeted keywords, but my quality score is still 7 by 10. What else can I do to improve it? Okay. Do you have any other suggestion for improvement? For context, I am running manual CPC to sell a physical product. My goal was to get 30 conversions before switching to smart bidding, but after 2 months, my conversion rate is still low, less than 1%, and I'm losing money. It still brings in 18 to 23. I have been removing negative keywords daily, but there aren't many irrelevant ones left. Despite this, my quality score hasn't improved beyond 7, and my landing page experience is still rated low. Any advice or paid service, if you had a similar experience, would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so this is in a very good question, and let me see the image. Okay, so you guys can see as well. So you can see over here that the ad is eligible, but it's showing below first page limit, and I can see clicks over here, and I can see quality score 7 by 10. Let me see if I have to see more. Okay, I can see the conversion over here, that is very last one conversion, and you are saying that each conversion brings me $18 to $23. So it means that you definitely need a paid Google ad service to help you along. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna answer those questions, okay, slowly and gradually. Okay, my budget isn't fully spent. Should I increase my CPC and just pay to get conversion data now? Okay, no. Our main goal is not to spend the full budget, but rather to get quality traffic and sales. We have to maintain conversions to increase our spending. This could be a possibility. However, a detailed audit is required. Now this is the most important question. The impression and CTR from a campaign are declining. I have noticed the red warning below my first page bid $3.04. When I first set up an ad month ago, the bid was around $1 to $2. Does this mean the competitors are bidding high right now? No, actually, more than the amount of CPC. It works with a quality score. So your quality score has decreased over the time, over the the quality score has decreased over the time, and your CTR is declining, which is resulting in increase in CPC. Okay, I have updated my website content to be more relevant and included the targeted keywords, but my quality score is still 7 by 10. What could else I can do this? Okay, so for improving the quality score, my scenarios would be focusing on improving your campaign structure, work on your search terms, and most importantly, this is the most importantly, is like adding negative keywords. See your device bidding and area bidding for optimization. For optimization. Also, do you have any other suggestions for improvement? Okay, my suggestions would be for right now would be to change your bidding strategy to maximize clicks for now, and yeah, do these things, and this can help you. I haven't seen your landing, so I may have some suggestions for your landing page as well, but this is just an idea. You need to change your bidding strategy. You need to even improve your ad copies. Okay, ad copies also plays a huge role. Despite landing pages, ad copies can help you. Like, there is a tool which I've been used, that can preview the ads, and I recommend people to add ad extensions in their ads, because the ad extensions actually ultimately increases the image of the ad, brings authenticity, also increases the trust, relevancy, and the CTR. And higher the CTR, better the quality score, which results in lower the CPC amount. So you can see what this is a normal ad, and if I add advertiser ratings, if I location extension, you can see that how great my ad is. Even if I add the price extension, you can see how great my ad would be. So improve on these things. So improve on your ad copies, and also look around for your competitors. Look around for your competitors, see their ad copies and how they are optimizing, plus their landing page and offer, and this could results in improving your sales. And you asked about hiring us. So in case if you want to hire us, you can hire us through the link in the description, and even the people who are watching want to hire us, you still can hire us through the link in the description. And a Google Ads audit can help in sorting out these issues. So yeah, I look forward to working with you. So guys, do hire us through the link in the description, and I can sort out your Google Ads audit, setup of management or different issues. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope I answer your question. Take care. Bye bye.